class.
Good morning, sir.
You may now take your seat. So, how's your day?
We're fine, sir.
Very good. So, before we start, now may I request everyone to please stand. Let us pray first. This morning, is the prayer. Thank you so much. We will now take your seat. So, since the Sabon Sumo are absent, I think now all of us are present. So, let's maintain things good attendance. And now let us proceed on our topic discussion. Now, we're going to learn about ecology.
Our topic for today is about ecology. Anyone answer? If you heard the word ecology, what comes first into your mind? Yes, Ms. Bonas. What comes first to your mind? Hey, we have a picture here in our slide here. So what can you see in the picture below? Either it's animals, either kinds of trees, either mga pamilya. Ano pang nakita? What can you see in the picture below? Yes, it's for nice.
This is the pictures on here. It's about the connected our topic ecology.
Yes, that is correct. The picture I have given to all of you class is connected to our topic for today. So our topic for today is about ecology. So what is an ecology? Anyone who can read? Yes, before that.
The word echo comes from the Greek word oikos, meaning household, home, or place to live. The word logi comes from the Greek word logos, which means knowledge or the study of. It is the branch of biology that deals with the relations of organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings.
Hey, thank you. So ecology, in a simple definition, the word ecology, it is the interaction between an organism or an animal to its physical surrounding. So, an ecology word is natuma siya sa duha ka word. Ang unang ka word is the echo, which means household. And the second word is the logi, or the Greek word, comes from the Greek word na logos, which means knowledge. So, pag-combine, the study of household. The study of the household. Oikos means household. So ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relations of organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. So every animal's class is whatever their physical appearance, kung ano man ang ilang physical, either tao nila balahibo, nagbay na sungay, labay na liog, nakadepende din na sa environment nila. Kung ano kadamol ang ilang balahibo ng animals, amuman katugnaw ang surrounding nila o sa environment nila. Because na-adapt na sa mga animals na kung grabe katugnaw, dapat grabe makadamol ang mga bulbul. Apod na hindi sila dati matugnawan. Kung mali na ang kakatabo sa desert, sa desert, ang mga animals na pwede maka-tiner dito, camel, scorpion, because camel can live 2 months without drinking water. Yeah. So next slide. So for example, what can you see? Means more or less on the first photo.
I see the difference between animals and fish.
Okay. Thank you. So the first photo here we have a jaguar. Arap siya sa environment niya. And the second photo we have the Nemo. Nemo fish. Nag-arap life. Tanan nga nagakabuhi class, either tapat na nila, either tanong na nila, that is called an organism. Including us, we are human. We are called organism. But, tanda natin class, when we say organism, refers to one, isa lang yun siya, organism. Okay, next, level 2, population. Yes, important.
Level 2, we have populations. In ecology, a population is a group of individuals of the same species inhabiting the same area and functioning as a unit of biotic community.
Okay. The level 1 is organism, the level 2 is the population. So, and a simple way of definition of the word population, kung kagina, ang nakita natin nga picture ng inang class is panda. Wala. Pagkadiri sa level 2 population, wala. Sila. Nakita natin ang picture ng mga elephant. So, magkakaroon ng population class. Same species, but down na sila. Same lang sila species. For example, dog, but down na dog. For example, cat, but down na cat. That is ang population. Okay? Example ako, magkakako ng family. Population na kami. Okay. So, take note lang. And the level 3? Yes,
Next, we have biological community. A biotic community organization results from interdependence and interactions amongst populations of different species in habitat. This is an assemblage of populations of plants, animals, bacteria, and fungi that live in an area and interact with each other.
Okay. When we say biological community, kagina level 1 organism, level 2 population, and level 3 we have community. Na-notice natin sa picture class, different na siya ng mga species. So kagina sa organism, isa lang. Population, same species, but nadama sila. But sa the community naman class, nagdama-dama na ginang species. So we have spiders, snail, monkeys, fish, butterfly. That is the community composed of different species. Okay, level 4 we have ecosystem. Yes, agree?
Next, we have level 4 ecosystem. The ecosystem are parts of nature where living organisms interact amongst themselves with their physical environment. An ecosystem is composed of a biotic community integrated with its physical environment through the exchange of energy and recycling of the nutrients. The term ecosystem was coined by Sir Arthur Tasla in the year 1935.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So, ecosystems are part of nature. So, pag class, organisms, population, community, and we have ecosystems. So, ito ecosystem class composed in a simple definition, composed of different species with their physical environment. Ang ilan ng mga lugar, kung hindi sila nagkakabagan. Tara. And last is the biosphere. What's the biosphere? Yeah.
Then the last we have the level 7 biosphere, the entire inhabited part of the earth and its atmosphere including the living components is called the biosphere.
In a simple definition of biosphere class,
na siya.